I love spending time outside. I like to breathe in the fresh air, smell the earth around me, listen to the sounds of nature, and see the spectacular views this planet has to offer. But in our increasingly busy and technology-filled lives, experts worry we are losing our connection to nature. But is that really true? Are we disconnected from nature, or just differently connected to nature?
I connect to nature in a variety of ways. Professionally, I'd say I connect through the work I do. I find it very interesting answering questions, or at least trying to.
I'm a big outdoors person, so I like to take long walks in the woods. I like hiking a lot as well, biking and skiing, so it's like pretty much my favorite pastime.
I connect to nature through spending time outdoors and really trying to hear what's around me, hear the wildlife, hear the trees, hear the streams, and really just try to lose myself in that moment.
I go out hiking, I go out biking, all sorts of things, being active.
I run a lot, and I always look for places where there are trees or water. Just when I run, I let my mind go free.
Ideally, you'd go out into the woods and wilderness, but sometimes for me, if you're busy, it's just going outside and taking a deep breath and looking at the sky and being quiet.
I mean, I'm more used to the notions and conceptions and behaviors that have been built by indigenous people. For indigenous people, there is not a word that separates us as humans, as a species, from what we call nature. Nature, for me, is a clear social construct that has been loaded with power. I mean, once we objectify nature, as we have been doing for the last at least 2,500 years, you can use it. You can sell it.
So what is connection to nature? Some people connect to nature through outdoor activities. Some people connect to nature to clear their minds. Some people don't even use the word nature at all. So tell me, how do you connect to nature? How do you connect to nature?
Go outside.